Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome everyone to the foundation channel of Fundamentals. So, my name is Divya and I am your maths mentor. And today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, exponents and powers. So, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे about exponents and powers, and this is very important topic. And what we will cover today: meaning of the chapter, next why do we study exponents and powers, next is two important questions, that's it. So in this video we will cover meaning of the chapter, why do we study exponents and powers, and two important questions, okay, and some basic terms, okay. For example, what is variable, constant, term and coefficient, okay. So these things we will cover today in this video. The first thing is meaning of the chapter. What is exponent and powers? So for example, now you see one thing. Let's suppose I am writing here 10 raised to the power 24. Okay. So if I will ask you what is power, in this what is power, I know maximum of the students, almost 90% students will say, ma'am, 24 is a power. No, but you are wrong. 24 is not a power. Here, if you will say 24 is a power, you are completely wrong. You know one thing? अभी कुछ टाइम पहले तक मुझे भी यही लगता था कि 24 is a power. But I was completely wrong. The thing is, 24 is known as exponent. What it is? Exponent. And one more name for this 24 is index. ओके जैसे हमारे दो नाम होते हैं ना, एक घर का, बाहर का, कॉलेज का, ऐसे ही इसमें भी है. 10 raised to the power 24, 24 is exponent or index, and what is 10? This 10 is known as base. Okay, but the question is what is power? मैम अगर 24 पावर नहीं है तो पावर क्या है? अभी क्वेश्चन हमारे दिमाग में ये है. तो पावर इज दिस होल थिंग, this whole expression is known as power or exponential form. okay? अभी समझ में आया, क्लियर हुआ कि पावर क्या है, एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म क्या है, ओके, एक्सपोनेंट क्या है एंड बेस क्या है. वन मोर थिंग, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, इफ आई विल आस्क यू, लेट्स सपोज वी हैव 2 raised to the power 5. okay, so how we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 is multiplying itself 5 times. Okay. So this short form is known as exponential form, and one more name is for this power notation. What it is? Power notation. Okay. This exponential form is also known as power notation. Okay. Now the question is one very important question. Why we are studying? Now the next question. This is the meaning of exponent and powers. I hope आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा कि पावर क्या है एक्सपोनेंट क्या है, एंड व्हाट इज दिस फॉर्म. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज व्हाई डू वी स्टडी. व्हाई डू वी स्टडी एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर. अभी ये हमें पढ़ना क्यों पड़ रहा है अचानक से, क्या ज़रूरत थी इसे पढ़ने की. ओके, let's suppose you know what is the mass of earth. I am writing here mass of earth. Okay, mass of earth is 5,970,000,000,000,000,000 kg. You know, this is the mass of earth. अभी ऐसे हमारे पास बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े नंबर हैं. वी हैव सो मैनी बिग बिग नंबर्स. सो फॉर राइटिंग दीज नंबर्स इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म वी आर यूजिंग, फॉर राइटिंग दीज बिग बिग नंबर्स इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म we are using exponents. What we are using? Exponents and powers. Okay, so this is the use. So if I will write, I wrote already this number, so can you read these numbers? So it is very difficult to read this big number, that's why we are using exponents and powers. Okay, so the numbers are very difficult to read, write, understand and compare. Okay, to make these numbers easy to read, write, understand and compare, we use exponents. समझ में आया? आई होप आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा वाई वी आर यूजिंग दिस चैप्टर. सो दिस वॉज अवर सेकेंड पॉइंट, वाई डू वी स्टडी एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर. आई होप आप लोग को समझ में आया होगा कि हम क्यों एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर का यूज़ करते हैं. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव सम टू इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन I will discuss in next part actually, because this I will cover with laws of exponents. You know what it is, this question? Exponents. This question is any number power 0 is 1. Or one more question is there. Let's suppose I have a by b whole power minus n. It will become b by a whole power n. Negative power will become positive, or we can say any number power negative is 1 by a. A power minus 1 will become 1 by a. But the question is why? Why any number power 0 is 1 or a power minus 1 is 1 by a. So आप लोगों को ज़्यादा वेट नहीं कराएंगे. एक काम करते हैं, बाकी लॉज नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे, लेकिन इस वीडियो में आज ही मैं आपको बताती हूँ किसी भी नंबर की पावर 0 1 क्यों होती है. ठीक है, एनी नंबर पावर 0 वाई 1, एंड इफ यू हैव नेगेटिव पावर देन वाई इट इज 1 by a. ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट इन लास्ट वी विल डिस्कस सम बेसिक टॉपिक टर्म्स, वेरिएबल्स, कांस्टेंट एंड कोएफिशिएंट. ओके, now come to the next part. Now the question is why is any number okay raised to the power of 0 is 1. ओके, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. सो लेट्स सपोज, अभी आपको क्या करना है, जस्ट ऑब्जर्व द पैटर्न. ओके, एंड हाँ, वन मोर चीज़, इस वाई एनी नंबर पावर 0 1 इसके बहुत सारे रीजंस है, बहुत सारे रीजंस अलग अलग लोगों ने दिए हैं, बट मैं आपको सबसे ईजिएस्ट वे बताने वाली हूँ. वाई एनी नंबर पावर 0 is 1. लेट्स सपोज 1 करोड़ पावर 0 is 1. 100 power 0 is 1. Any number minus 1 by 2 power 0 is 1. Okay. Any number power 0 is 1. So now observe the pattern. Okay. 2 power 4. Let's suppose I am having. So what is 2 power 4? 2 is multiplying itself 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 16. 2 power 3. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Okay. Next. 2 power 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 power 1. 2. Now can you observe the pattern? This exponent reducing. Okay. 4 to 3 to 2 to 1. Here also we can see 16 is becoming 8, 4 and 2. So can you observe this? ये कैसे आ रहा है कि आप देख सकते हैं. Let's suppose if you will say me, if we will divide this 16 by 2, what we will get? 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. Okay, 2 power 0. 1, we know that, but we will not write. First try to understand the pattern. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, this is the pattern. Here 16, 8, 4, 2. If you will divide by 2, you will get 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. And again, according to pattern, by which number we should divide? 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay. And this is not only for 2. If you will take any number, you will get always 1. This is the reason. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. मज़ा आ रहा है? Interesting है वीडियो? Okay. Now come to the next question. Next important question. Why a power minus 1 is 1 by a and vice versa? Okay. And vice versa. Why any number power minus 1 is 1 by a and vice versa? Now again we will observe one more pattern. 2 power 3, 8. 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 0. Just now we understood why 1. Now observe the pattern again. Okay. And after 0, what will come? According to the number line, we know that 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers. Yes or no? Here what it will come next? Minus 1. So 2 power minus 1 is equals to what? Again observe the pattern. If you will divide 8 by 2, you will get 4. 4 divided by 2 again 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. And again according to pattern, see this 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1. Here divided by 2, 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. And then again 1 divided by 2. What is the answer? 1 by 2. Understood? समझ में आया? Why any number power minus 1 is 1 upon the number. Okay? And we are using this for making that number positive. And vice versa. 1 by 2 is equals to 2 power minus 1. Understood? That's why, or 2 power minus 1 is equals to 1 by 2. That's why a power minus 1 is equals to 1 by a. समझ में आया? Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, that is some basic terms. For example, variable, constant, term and coefficient. So this is our last part. In this video, we will discuss this last point is some basic terms. For example, variable, constant, term and coefficient. So here first thing is variable. A symbol which can take various numerical values is called a variable. Various numerical values. Numerical values means any numbers like 100, 10, 5. So these are numerical values. Okay. So symbol which can take, let's suppose for example any symbol we can take. Symbol means any letters. A to Z, A, B, C, X, Y, Z and so on, etc. Okay. So these symbols, we can put any value in these symbols. Okay. so is known as variable. Okay, so variables are also known as, one more point, these are also known as literals. Okay, so these are also known as literals. One more name is there for variables, that is literals. Now next point is, next terminology is term. What is term? So numerical or literals or their combination. Let's suppose I am writing any numerical 7. So this is also a term. Literals, any letter. Okay, this is also a term. Or their combination, is 7x. Understood? Or their combination is known as term, formed by operation of. So we have total 4 operations in maths: plus, minus, multiply and division, multiplication and division. So in this term we will use the operation of multiplication. Okay, so numerical or literal or their combination formed by operation of multiplication. If no sign is there, dot is there, that means multiplication sign is there. Okay, is known as, are called terms. So this is one term. For example, you have any term in this form, x by 6. So this is also a term, negative number 10x square. This is also a term. Okay, or 5n. If you will see in any form, is known as terms. Okay, and etc. So terms means combination of numerical or literals, और numerical or literals are known as terms. Variable समझ में आया, term समझ में आया. Okay, next is coefficient, the numerical part of a term. Let's suppose I am having any term. Let's suppose I am having 2008y. Okay, so here this numerical part of any term, this numerical part. So here 2008 is the coefficient of y. Okay, one more example. Let's suppose I am having 10x. So here 10 is this numerical part, 10 is the coefficient of x. Understood? Okay, एक और एग्जाम्पल ले लेते हैं नेगेटिव नंबर का. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. लेट्स सपोज आई एम हैविंग minus x. Okay, minus x. So this is also a term, and here if minus x is there, then what is the coefficient? Each and every number is having a coefficient 1, and but minus is there, so this x is multiplying by minus 1. Minus 1 into x, if you will multiply, you will get minus x. Yes or no? So here minus x is coefficient. Okay, minus 1 is coefficient of x. minus 1 is coefficient of x. समझ में आया? अभी लास्ट पॉइंट एक और चीज देख लेते हैं. कांस्टेंट रह गया है. सो वन मोर पॉइंट इज कांस्टेंट. सो ये डेफिनेशन आप लोग नोट डाउन कर सकते हैं. यू कैन नोट डाउन दिस डेफिनेशन, कांस्टेंट. ओके, सो वन मोर पॉइंट इज कांस्टेंट. सो कांस्टेंट, व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन? अ symbol having a fixed value. A fixed value is called a constant. Constant means fixed, which is having a fixed value. Let's suppose I am writing here 3. So can you change this number? Can you change? Yes, we can change the number. Okay, but the value of 3 is 3 only. Okay, let's suppose I want to write here, I want to strike off 3 and I want to write here 2010. We can change the number, but we can't change their values. Symbol having fixed value 2010 is 2010 only. Value is 2010. So a symbol, and these are the symbols we are using. Okay, a symbol having a fixed value is called a constant. So 2010 is constant. Birth 1994. Your date of birth 1994 is also a constant. we can't change the value of this 1994. समझ में आया? मजा आया? So okay, so this was my first video. If you are liking my video, then please share with your friends. If you are feeling, oh, this is helpful for others, so please share this video. Okay, and remaining part, the laws is now pending. Laws of exponents and powers. So these laws of exponents and power we will discuss in next video, next part. Thank you so much.